of their life.
What I want to do is I want you to look at number 3. You can see my screen okay?
Yeah.
Under the laws. Now, following the law of reciprocity is give with no thought of return. And we're going to dig deep into that one. I'll give you a little bit of it now. The Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible, they only agree on 2 things. They all have different gods. They all have different thoughts and about religion. There's 2 things they all believe in and agree with is love and the belief in the law of reciprocity. The law of reciprocity basically says give with no thought of return. The full saying is give with no thought of return, and abundance comes in the most unexpected sources, the most unexpected places, the most unexpected time, and the most unexpected amount.
Right.
But it's give with no thought of return. So it's helping people get a better mortgage. It's helping real estate agents find clients. It's you helping real estate agents find other referral partners. It's you doing anything you can to help your clients other than mortgages and help real estate agents other than mortgages where Chaim doesn't make a penny. The activities where you don't make a penny is where you're going to make the fortune. The activities you do where I got into mortgage to make money has got to become the last thing on your mind. I know we have to do things to make a living, but when you sit with a client, you making money has to be so far in the back of your mind because then you're a slimy sales guy. If that's all you're with them is to sell them a mortgage, right?
For sure.
So I'm going to give you a quick example of following the law of reciprocity, the giving with no thought of return. When you meet a client and they're moving from, I don't know, from Colorado to Arizona, and they're going to move into a home and you're doing the funding for that. This is my opinion. It's your responsibility to find them their gardener, their plumber, their financial planner, their CPA, the next restaurant they go to, their real estate agent, their CPA. You put them in that house. You and the real estate agent put them in the house. You guys should be giving them these resources. If they inherited some money, Chaim, and they want to buy a home, they inherited money, is there a chance they need a financial planner? There might 100%. Be. CPA. Yeah. So when you introduce that client to a financial planner and a CPA, you have now set yourself apart from 99.9% of all mortgage lenders. Now we're not dealing with rate, Chaim. Chaim's providing other services besides mortgage, because if all you have is a sell a mortgage, then all you're doing, you're commoditizing yourself. I can go anywhere and get a rate. But Chaim, would you agree that some people shop at Walmart and some people shop at Bloomingdale's?
100%.
Could you get a shirt at Walmart?
Yeah.
Can you get a 10 times more expensive shirt at Bloomingdale's?
Yep.
People still go to Bloomingdale's, right?
100%.
So I'm telling you now, it's not rate. And if people are tracking you on just rate, then you've commoditized yourself by not providing enough value. And I'm going to give you ideas on how to provide that value. I already have, but I'm going to go into great detail on it. But before we can do any of that, Chaim, before you meet your next real estate agent, I'm going to give you some ideas on this. Now, in that course at onereferralaway.com helps a lot of this. So number 1, you have to have a story. They don't know what kind of referrals to send you. How are they going to send you anything?
Right.
Number 3, you got to follow the laws. One of the most important ones I already told you was the law of reciprocity. You got to meet with these real estate agents, and helping them is not helping them with a freaking mortgage. You meet with a real estate agent and his client is struggling with their finances. Chaim, it's your job, yours, to find that real estate agent's client a credit repair person, improve their credit so you can get them a loan so that real estate agent can sell them a home. Agree or disagree?
Agreed.
That's helping a real estate agent. Getting them a mortgage rate is not helping them. Anybody can do that. When you find that real estate agent's client, a CPA, financial planner, going through divorcing to a family law attorney, somebody died, they're inheriting, upsize, downsize, whatever it is, when you start providing vendors to the real estate agent, then and only then is Chaim following the law of reciprocity. Are you vibing with me so far?
Yeah, no, I agree. So far, I agree with everything, and it makes sense.
For anyone that was watching, how would they sign up for your course? Or, I mean, is there any course options or stuff like that?
Thank you for asking. So this is onereferralaway.com. Thank you very much for asking, AJ. If people do want to hire me to coach them, this is how we do it.
Got it.
So you go to onereferralaway.com and you see this bouncing here. Click on that button, and this explains the course.
Got it.
This is the curriculum. It's all webinar based. It's a recording of webinars. It's 6 or 7 hours long total. There's my bio and some testimonials. There's my wife, and there's all kinds of cool. There's a mortgage lender. financial planner, attorney. I could put 200 of them on here, but there's no need. The options to buy, this button right here, it's $795 to purchase the course, or 3 payments of $279. And it comes with all of these recorded webinars. And right here, you can see right there, it comes at 2 hours of one-on-one with me.
Awesome.
Now, if somebody needs more than that, we're going to back up and we're going to click on this button over here. And then 1 hour of one-on-one coaching is $250, 2 hours, $395. Most people, AJ, do the 6 hours for $995. Now, with that, I don't like to do longer than an hour straight because it's overwhelming for both of us. I'll do, 6 hours, that's 24 15-minute sessions, or 12 30-minute sessions, or 6 1-hour sessions, or a whole crap ton of 10-minute sessions. I'll break it up any way somebody wants. And I'm generally don't stare at my watch. So that 6 hours probably turns into 7 or 8, honestly, when it's done.
Yeah.
So that's the way, but start here with onereferralaway.com and you click that button and that's the course and that's how you join.